कुछ कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं हुआ है, उससे पहले वो वही बात कहना चाह रहा है जो उसने कोट किया है। फिर उसको वो अपने एंड पे उसको अलग तरीके से प्रेजेंट करने की कोशिश करता है। देन अगर इस तरह का कंटेंट अगर हम ला रहे हैं, तो उस पे उसका क्या कोई ऐसा हम एथिकल, कुछ इसकी एथिकल वैल्यूज है, कुछ
And
एथिक्स
I
है?
will give you a good example.
हम्म।
The answer was given to me by my Pakistani friend. Their prime minister told in the assembly that the madrasas are a second line of defense. He
हाँ,
told, right?
एग्जैक्टली।
Fine. Now that हम लोग उसका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं कि ये कैसा कंट्री है जो कि सेकंड लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस बच्चों को कह रहा है, वी हैव इंटरप्रेटेड दिस वे, ये हमें सूट कर रहा है। उनको ये लाइन बिल्कुल खराब नहीं लगा है। तो द पाकिस्तानी, दिस इज द फन पार्ट। देन आई टोल्ड व्हाई। ना उन्होंने, आप लोगों ने इसको आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट लिया है। मैंने कहा इसमें कॉन्टेक्स्ट था ही क्या। ना उसने कहा, उनका कहने का मतलब है कि our children are so patriotic. This is a country of patriots, and madrasas are breeding patriots. Soldiers are full patriots, madrasas are छोटा वाला patriot, बड़ा patriot, छोटा patriot। मैंने कहा ऐसा था क्या। पर हमने तो ऐसे नहीं, इस आपका प्रॉब्लम है। Now he is completely not embarrassed. The prime minister and the Pakistanis are completely comfortable about it. He said, okay, now वे जो आपने कहा ना इंटरप्रिटेशन का, क्योंकि वो तो एक लाइन बोल के चले गए ना, बिकॉज ही, हमने क्यों बोला, उन्होंने ये कहा कि हमारे जंग तो वो लोग लड़ रहे हैं, उसके अलावा भी हमारा सेकंड लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस है। तो हमने जंग लड़ने को इंडेक्स बना के मजाक बनाया कि चिल्ड्रन कैसे जंग लड़ सकते हैं। उनका कहना था कि पेट्रियोटिज्म दिखाना में एक एक्ट है जंग में जाना, दूसरा एक्ट है मदरसों में पढ़ाई करना। इतने कट्टर, मैंने इतने, आई वोंट यूज द वर्ड कट्टर, इज द रॉन्ग वर्ड, हिंदी इज राइट वर्ड, इतने ईमान, committed, the committed Muslims, they're such committed Muslims that they even go to the local. So we have very good religion, because they have a concept of religious nationalism, right? Unlike India. So it's saying that, so you're very good Muslim, you're a good Pakistani, and see that we have such good Muslims, sare log, there are 3500 madrasas right now in Pakistan out of 100. So it is very interesting. तो वो तो ये तो बड़ा एग्जाम्पल था कि आपने उसको जो कॉन्टेक्स्ट की बात कही। लेकिन एक बात है कि ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन राइट इट एंड पीपल मे नॉट डू इट, बट यू हैव योर कॉन्टेक्स्ट। तो आप जब ये बात कहेंगे तो आप वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट देंगे ना, दैट in relation to defense, line of defense, this was told, so I told it. So statements, तब तो ये बात, जो बात कह रहा हूं, तब तो ये बहुत और क्रिटिकल हो जाता है कि अगर आप किसी के स्टेटमेंट को किसी तरीके से इंटरप्रेट करना चाह रहे हैं, तो आपको और भी ज्यादा एहतियात बरतना पड़ेगा कि उसका आगे पीछे हुआ क्या था, कि तभी आप इसके अंदर एक केस बना सकते हैं। In order to cook up a story, you have to get the happenings around the story, not only the verbatim words, because only then you can cook a story. That's why they say you are cooking up a good story, right? I mean, not you, I meant anybody. I mean, even we also, I mean, what we write is also a story at the end of the day. It's story in the sense that it has a certain plot and a certain idea. So yes, ये इसका आपका जो क्वेश्चन था कि the author may not take ownership of his or her own words, but the researcher is free to take interpretations, but he or she has to substantiate that interpretation in his own way. A substantiation which may not be accepted by the author, but still it is a substantiation. जो हम लोग जो कुछ करते हैं, हमें शो कॉज मिलता है ना, तो हम एक्सप्लेनेशन तो देते ही है ना, आप माने या ना माने, एक्सप्लेनेशन है तो ये आपका एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा, जो वो नहीं मान सकता है, बट इट्स ऑल राइट, बट यू हैव टू गिव एन एक्सप्लेनेशन।
थैंक यू सर, सच अ वंडरफुल डिस्कशन विद यू। आई थिंक अगर किसी का कोई सवाल हो तो प्लीज वो पूछ सकता है अभी भी। सर हमारे
Yeah,
साथ।
so I have a question regarding first. I I'm really very grateful to attend this session because this was a really fantastic, and I was working on the same line since last few months, so I actually aligned everything. So really, I'm really very grateful to attend this session. My first question is regarding the, because I have conducted so many FGDs. So interviews and FGDs we are conducting, IDI we are taking. So how we are transcribing the FGD? Because I have faced the difficulties, but anyhow I managed to do this because that's a field work related experience, shows that I can manage FGD also. But again, what you were discussing right now, that was a, I think idea is still we can manage, interviews still we can manage. So few tips from your side I really want for the FGD transcription. Second question is my, that when we are taking multiple case studies like case study 1, case study 2, case study 3, so in analysis part, yes, we are describing all those cases, right? But when we are coming to the conclusion or when we are coming to the recommendations part, so in any means, I'm just assuming that right now I'm in the process, so I have not faced such things. But in out of 4 case study, one case study is slightly different from the rest of the 3. In any case, like intersectionality, like I found youth are more talkative than others. Something slightly different, but very emerging, very interesting. Should I mention that 4 case study highlighting, because not I found in rest of the 3, but yes in the 4, because we are talking about the collective, all 4 case study in conclusion part. So this is the my second challenges I'm facing, so I need your guidance.
Thank you, Soumya. I think it was very, I think the questions very clearly spelled out. I'll try to go one by one. There were 2 questions, if I get it correct. One is that it is fine as long as you do transcript of one-to-one interviews, but how to transcribe and how to analyze data in an FGD, unlike a one-to-one interview. Second question was that when we start sampling our cases in the writing part, then if there was an aberrant case or it's a different case, what do you do with it and how does it go? Okay. Now, firstly, my advice is that, which I myself do is, the initial FGD that you do, it should be done in a very light manner. And it need not be recorded. Of course, if you have that much time, I mean, that is that seriously in the first FGD that you are doing. Just be very casual about it. Because what happens in the first FGD is that try to understand that the speaker, when he speaks in a group capacity, and the speaker, when he or she speaks in an individual capacity, they are very conscious in 2 different ways. They know what to portray in the first one and how to portray in the second one. So my advice is that when you do the first case study, first FGD, take it in a very casual mode. You need not, and just have your, do the recording, but then start scribbling your general ideas. So the first FGD is larger in size, say 7 people or 8 people together. Then do another FGD where you take off people who are not that important. And ensure, and if you understand that, and generally in FGDs, what happens is, generally FGDs are pointing in one direction, then they don't go in different. That's why they're focused groups. They are not unfocused groups. So what you do is do a second round case study where you actually start doing this business of verbatim. But when you do the what I have just told, one by one, noting down and all, but the focus group discussion, it is but natural that certain people would have spoken more or would have tried to impress upon others a certain view. That's what basically happens in FGD is they try to impress upon others a certain view, and other people who are hesitant then start backing out slowly, and you will observe it when you do the FGD. So what I was doing is, I remember, यहाँ पे यूथ नेता कौन है कहने के लिए कोई एक है, पर है एक्चुअली में कोई और। तो मैं करता क्या था, जो डेजिग्नेटेड बंदा है उसको लेके, जो स्टैट्यूटरी मतलब डी जूरे जो है उसको लेके मैं FGD करता हूँ। डी फैक्टो पता चल जाता है, सेकेंड राउंड में मैं उसके साथ 1-to-1 इंटरव्यू करता हूँ। सो योर FGDs नीड टू बी सप्लीमेंटेड विथ one or two interviews. Then you can treat your FGD data better, because तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा कि मेन थ्रेड क्या था। और दूसरा, तो 2 लोगों से आप बात करेंगे, एक जो सिस्टम को, जो डिस्कशन को हाईजैक करने की कोशिश किया है वो, और दूसरा जो कुछ कह तो रहा था पर डर के मारे चुप हो गया। अब इन दोनों को ट्रैक कीजिए सेकंड राउंड में। सो दोज आर, देन फिर आपको FGD कॉन्टेक्स्ट में समझ में आएगा, वरना FGD पता नहीं चल। सो FGD should be supplemented with one or individual interviews. One. The second thing which you were asking, sorry, I just forgot the question. What was the second one?
Yeah, so there are the 4 case studies, and
Yeah,
I have taken.
I got it. I remember. Yeah. Now, this is something that happened with my master's thesis student when they do this. Now, what happens is, शी वेंट टू शी वाज डूइंग स्टडी ऑन सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स। तो वो क्या की ना, वो करीब 40 लोगों से बात की थी उसके 3 महीने के अंदर। और उसके बाद उसने केस स्टडी देने के लिए क्या किया ना, उसने 5 केस स्टडी, मैंने कहा कुछ यूनिक